can bank on it. You can put 100 grand.
Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to Klaiyi Hair for sponsoring this video. Now, I'm always excited to do a Yaki straight wig, and this is what we have today. We got a few goodies: edge brush, a wig cap of course, and the wig. Now guys, this is a drawstring wig and it's a 7x5 closure wig. Absolutely love a Yaki straight just because it's so versatile. You can wear it straight, you can wear it with curls. Love that about this wig. So today this is what we're going to install. It's a pre-everything wig and the drawstring works perfect. You even have an extra band for security. Absolutely love that. This is a one wig fits all, which means you don't have to worry about when you're ordering a hair, get a small, medium, or large cap. The drawstring method works wonders. It's gonna fit if your head is small, medium, or large. So we're gonna get into this video. Even though it's a Yaki straight, the texture is amazing. We're gonna get to this video, so keep on watching. I like to massage my head before because sometimes I'll keep the wigs on for a few days. But we are going to get into this glueless wig from Klaiyi Hair. Excited about it. You know, I always work with them. I showed you guys in the intro the drawstring, which is an upgrade if you're worried about your head size. Now with the drawstring, you don't have to worry about that. You have a big head, a small head. The drawstring is the perfect thing on any wig right now because if your head is small, you pull the string. If it is big, you still pull it to your liking or how it fits your head. So we are going to get into that right now. Just trying to comb back all the hair because I'll be doing a glueless install. It's a 7x5 closure wig, which is absolutely amazing, and it is pre-everything, pre-cut. It's a Yaki straight. Everyone knows I love a Yaki straight wig, which is gonna be super easy to even use a flat iron. It's gonna be so easy. So sleep back your hair. If you're a person like me and you don't want to use braids, all I do is apply one braid in the hair. Just make sure everything is back. You put on your stocking cap and you're good to go. So that's what we are doing with the texture, with the Yaki texture here. It is very natural. It's very soft. And don't worry because it takes heat very well. As in, you also have these can use. You can go up to 450 degrees, okay? So you don't have to worry about anything. Already prepped my face because it's gonna be a super easy wig to put on. And guys, since I'm doing that, you see my edges, they're edge inches. Who knows what that words mean, okay? So Klaiyi Hair, I've worked with you guys so many times and I appreciate the effort and I appreciate me a Yaki straight wig. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put on the stocking cap on the head. Make sure you slip your hair underneath. It is still flat. You see that? if you're gonna do this, make sure your real hair is slicked backwards so nothing is out. All right, I think this is perfect. I am definitely gonna add some makeup to the cap just because the cap is a bit light. I just normally add the makeup at the front, so not too much, right at the front, so you won't be able to see it. We are gonna try a versatile hairstyle with this wig for sure. Let's get it. That's the knot. Let's put it on without testing anything, without trying anything at all. I think I pulled the string too tight. So let's slide it on. Let's slid it on. Okay, there we go. I'm telling you. Trying to find the band. So you have two options with getting a snug wig. You have the band and you have the drawstring. Now this is how the wig looks without cutting any off the front. It fits right on top. You see what I'm saying? Now if you want to pull your wig out the pack, say you have somewhere to go, you don't have the time, girl, you can do it. All you gotta do is add a little bit of makeup right at the lace, or you could leave it. So this is how it looks, and this is why I love me a Yaki texture wig, because it's an easy put on. Use a brush and that's it. And that's why I said it's so easy to use if you do have a flat iron as well. It is super easy. This is how it looks. We're gonna do probably a side part and a middle part so you guys can see how versatile this wig is. But for you to pop out the wig and just throw it on, all you gotta do is this. And I'm gonna show you guys how the wig looks. So you guys see it is still straight. Yes. So we're gonna get into styling it, of course, because it's very easy. I didn't even pull the drawstring as yet. So let's do that before we get into styling the wig. I want to show you guys how the drawstring works. In order to demonstrate, let's pull the hair all the way up. Are you guys ready? So you pull down the wig for support. This is the drawstring right here. So you pull it, hope you guys can see, and then you put this down, and then whatever is left, you tuck it under. So this is how it should look. You have yourself a drawstring. Hopefully, oh, it's dark. That's how it should look.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force. Yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. But we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the burning, the dust, the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. See, blessings fall from my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off the load? One time, it's sit down in a class and we board that only see the road and me go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing, and you know it for spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul to your body and live, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earning, the just to the plus. Yeah. My gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings for all of my done. But I do it for the friends that take off the road. One time, kids sit down in a class, so important. All is in the road, and me go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings are for me. And send me to tell you my story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's how I'm gonna give him the glory. I'm in the light. Jah knows I'm a person ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a boss. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, the just to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall on my right. But I toast with the friends that take off the bill. One time, kids sit down in a class, I'm important. Only sit the road, and make one with the road.
Okay guys, so this is hairstyle number 2. We did a side part, a very simple side part with some curls. Add a little bit of layering at the front just because I wanted you guys to see how the hair transition. Now this is it. It is still a closure and it's given, okay? I love me a Yaki texture. I cannot emphasize how much I do. So you guys, it's a versatile wig. One wig without the frontal, easy pull off, with a drawstring, with everything pre-cut. Yeah, the only thing you need is a flat iron. I know everybody has that, or a hot comb. So this is how the second style look. I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna see if I can get into something else. Let's see. I don't know, but I kind of like the side part. It's giving a more classy look and ready to go in the office type of look. So yeah, let's get into it a little bit more. This is it. Very simple curls, and I told you guys I did a little bit of cutting right here, so this is how it looks and it's beautiful. So the side part looks very cute, very simple as well, and I like that. Yeah, what are your thoughts? I kind of like it like this. I use the same flat iron and I just add some curls to it, so it's not a big deal. It's still the same. The 7x5 is so wide, so it creates something amazing. Okay, you see that part? Love that. Bit of extra because it's Yaki, right? It's a Yaki straight. I made some curls. Absolutely love it. So I decided to do like a half up, half down with a closure. Yes, it's still a closure, but I wanted the illusion to be as it's a frontal. So I did a half up, half down. This is how it turned out. I went ahead and curl, and it's so cute. So what are your thoughts? This is also another hairstyle. I'm always a half up, half down because I really like it, and I feel like it suits the face. It's nothing extra or anything. So tell me what you guys think, and you should do it. Okay guys, this is the final look. If you guys are interested, make sure you check my description bar to get the exact wig, or you can visit their website. But I do recommend the Yaki straight because if you're a person who just want to get your hair done in no time and you want to do it yourself and you cannot do hair that well, this is the wig, this is the texture. So make sure you check out their website. Once again, thanks to Klaiyi here for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Right. My AI just changed. You just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Controller. Yeah. Like controller. Controller. Yeah. Okay.